Today we're bringing you a custom-built LPX, that's low profile, extreme equipment trailer. This one right here was built to work and built to last. The LPX is available with GVWRs ranging from 14,900 all the way to 24,000 pounds, lengths from 16 feet up to 30 feet, gooseneck, bumper pull, different ramp combinations, making it just about unlimited the different configurations that you could come up with. This individual started out with the 18,000 pound GVWR option. That's two 8K Lippert axles. Let's take a closer look at some of the other options he selected to go along with the axles. When putting together a work trailer such as this one, there are a couple of options that affect the axles that you want to make sure to pay attention to: suspension options and braking options. This individual chose the torsion suspension. That's a rubber ride suspension versus your normal spring suspension. The warranty on the rubber ride is twice as long and it provides a smoother ride. Next is the brakes. Your standard brakes are electric drum brakes. This individual chose electric over hydraulic disc brakes. They do cost more up front, but they have more cost-effective continual maintenance as well as better stopping power. And you'll notice the 8K axles come with the aluminum Valcrum oil caps as standard equipment. Another important feature of the 18,000 pound GVWR package is it comes with the engineered I-beam framework. This engineered I-beam shares the same technology as our F-Max series of engineered beam goosenecks. It's lighter, stronger, and wildly efficient, putting the metal where it needs to be the most to work hard for you day in and day out. This individual chose the 12-inch engineered gooseneck option. This option comes standard with the full-width storage box for straps, chains, boomers, things of that nature, dual spring-loaded drop leg jacks, a fold-down spare tire mount, as well as a chain tray / winch mount as standard equipment. Goosenecks distribute weight better up the frame of your truck, arguably pulling better and backing better. And hey, a gooseneck package, not near as many people can ask to borrow your trailer, which is a great thing we all know. He also outfitted this one with the 8x7 deck on the neck for storing additional cargo on top. Comes with the rubber-on stake pockets and added clearance slots. Lastly, on the gooseneck, he chose the shocker hitch. This is an airbag cushion hitch. When you are pulling a trailer day in and day out, putting food on the table for your family, this thing takes the wear and tear off of your back and off your truck. When talking flooring options and long-term durability, there's nothing stronger than a 3/16 diamond plate floor. This floor will never have to be replaced and will take a beating and keep on going. He even went a step further in putting the cross members on 12-inch centers versus the standard 16-inch centers to ensure that from now on there'll be no dipping or waving through the flooring and he can load it and work it every day. Lastly, standard on the back of an LPX is a 24-inch long diamond plate dovetail with 1x1 angle traction cleats providing max traction, as well as a 24-inch wide by 60-inch long heavy-duty flip knee ramp. This particular customer opted out of the number 6 grade expanded metal that we normally put on this particular ramp. That's something we do at Diamond C. From time to time, if you've got an idea on something you'd like to see done and we can accommodate it, we'll custom build a trailer for you. Jump on DiamondC.com, outfit an LPX to do the job you need it to do. Follow us on all the major social channels, subscribe to our YouTube channel for all of our latest videos, and we'll see you on the road.